Hello everyone, welcome to ridhimaacreations. Today, let's see how we can make a beautiful gift hamper or gift basket. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. You can easily customize this gift hamper by just changing the things that you pack into it while keeping the base decoration the same. You can customize this for any special occasion such as a baby shower, anniversary, birthday, festivals like Diwali, or even other special days such as Mother's Day and weddings. Today, the basket that I am making is for a baby shower or Seemanta, which is a popular tradition followed in South India. So let's get started. These are the materials that you will need: a cane basket, golden colored net, some flexible wire, gold decorative lace, decorative flowers, these are handmade as well, artificial leaves, satin ribbon, decorative sticks which are usually used for vases, all-purpose glue, transparent gift wrapping sheet. The things that I'll be putting into the gift basket are fruits, jasmine flowers. In South India, it is very auspicious to give married ladies some items such as betel nut and leaves, arishina or turmeric and kumkum, a blouse piece, glass bangles, usually red or green colored ones. Apart from this, a gift basket won't be complete without some sweets, right? So I've also kept some chocolates and sweets in the gift basket. The first step is to secure the golden net to the base of the basket. Use small pieces of the wire and secure it from the base of the basket so that it's not visible from the top. Next, wind the golden lace around the handle, leaving some gaps between each loop. In those spaces, wrap the satin lace alternatively. Next, I have these handmade satin flowers and these artificial leaves which I'll be using to decorate the four corners of the base of the basket. Use glue to secure them in place. I also have this beautiful white golden lace which I'll be making loops of and securing each loop in place using stapler pins. This forms our base bow, which is the largest in size. Next, make a smaller bow using the yellow satin ribbon and paste it on top of the bigger bow. Similarly, I have pasted a white bow on top of the yellow bow. I have also stuck some leaves in between the gaps to provide a good contrast. Finish the bow with the flower in the center. Next, paste the base of the decorative sticks to the back of the bow that we have just prepared. Our basket decoration is almost done. All that is left to do is place the items of our choice into the gift basket. I am starting off with the sweets and the chocolates, which are the biggest in size. All the other smaller items I have placed on top in an attractive fashion. The flowers I have left on the top since they are the most delicate. Now it's time to cover the basket. I have used a transparent gift wrapping sheet so that the beautiful colors of the items we have packed inside the basket are visible after we have covered it too. Pass the wrapping sheet under the base of the basket and join the two ends on top of the basket. Gather all the edges in your hand and secure it using a rubber band. Grease the sheet around the handle and make sure the wrapping paper is tight around the basket. Cover the rubber band with a ribbon. Stick the bow that we have prepared where the rubber band was used. Make a loose bow with the remaining net and paste it to the base of the basket. Your beautiful gift hamper or gift basket is now ready. I'm sure your loved one will like it more than any expensive store-bought gift hamper. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be bringing you more such interesting videos. Do try this out at home and share your recreation with me on ridhimaacreations Instagram. We also conduct art and craft classes in Bangalore. For more details, visit www.ridhimaacreationsartandcraft.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.